Rusty doesn't want to go.
Have you drove the Lamborghini yet? No, not really. Probably around the corner of that.
Hey, Dwayne. Hey, get that box right there.
Dwayne, my shit is fast up there.
Hey, get that box right there. Dwayne.
Dad, get the box.
You can't goddamn take black folks nowhere, man. Goddamn, bro. They see a fast car, all of a sudden the SUV's faster. God damn it. What the fuck is wrong with
Ollie? Yeah. Mama left. Want to stay with me? They left.
Well, you ain't getting no. Here's how you gotta say.
It's okay, Chicho. They left.
Yeah, y'all say it. Hey, who's that?